Holiday, she said. And we are looking at, well, mainly cloudy skies out there, a little bit of drizzle. I'll have more on your forecast and the latest on Nate. He's getting stronger in the Gulf of Mexico. All next. And while we didn't see a lot of rainfall today, it was a record-setting cool day in the tri-state. How about a warm-up and maybe some sunshine in the forecast? I'll let you know just ahead.
Never seen the Susquehanna River look like that. I mean, it just really looked angry.
Yes, it really did. It really did. And Jeff was telling us earlier, it is much more wide now than it originally normally is.
And like he said, too, it's part of Lee, which has impacted us. Of course, we've had just very light rain. And then Katia, which is not affecting any land, at least, you know, the winds of Katia, but the rain is kind of squeeze play right along the East Coast there. So rough weather.
And how about our rain? Are we sort of stuck with it?
We're kind of stuck with it, yeah, certainly tomorrow and even into the weekend, but it has been light rain. Today, just 0.05 of an inch of rainfall, so not much, but certainly a lot of cloud cover and cool out there. Take a look, Ultimate Doppler 9 HD. Today was a record-setting day, by the way. Our high temperature 64, and that is the coolest high temperature we have ever seen here in the tri-state on the 8th of September. The previous record was 65, and that was set back in 1979, but today just 64 degrees, and you can see not much showing up on the Doppler radar. Little patchy drizzle out there as we head through the remainder of the afternoon and into the evening hours, but the rest of the almanac there's that high of 64, so really cool day, and that's almost 20 degrees below the normal high, which is 81 for this time of the year. We did start at 57, 3 degrees below the normal of 60, and just 0.05 of an inch of rainfall there at the International Airport. Right now we are at 63, a dew point of 59. It's comfortable, but yeah, it's cloudy, it's gray, it's gloomy. A breeze out of the south right now at 3. The pressure falling, and the Ohio River is up a little bit, but just at 28.2 feet, so that's not all that bad. Unfortunately, it does look like the remnants of Lee are going to stick around for a while longer. I'm talking about not just tomorrow, Friday, but into and through the weekend, although slow improvements as we go through the weekend. So mainly cloudy on Friday with off and on showers, and then a few showers over the weekend, and maybe even a thunderstorm or two. Just depends on how much sunshine we see on Saturday and Sunday. But it will be more seasonable into the weekend. Highs getting back into the mid-70s on Saturday and upper 70s to near 80 there on Sunday. So at least we have that to hang on to. Take a look at the forecast map, and we'll just kind of take you through the next 2 to 3 days. There's an area of low pressure. This is the surface low, and I'll just put this into motion and let it go. It's actually retrograding or moving back to the west. Of course, most of the storm systems and weather systems move from the west to the east in the lower 48, but not this one. It's kind of a cutoff low pressure system that's going to kind of meander off to the west and then off to the southwest before finally beginning to fade away by late in the weekend. But until it does fade away, we do have a pretty good chance for some patchy drizzle or an off and on shower, really just about any time. Take a look at the satellite map right now, and you can probably pick out the upper low right here, very near South Bend, Indiana. Of course, we have that counterclockwise flow around low pressure, so this whole area is going to just meander very, very slowly off to the west and southwest as we head through the next 2 to 3 days, and it will take a lot of the rainfall with it. We're going to see just mainly patchy drizzle on Friday and possibly a spotty shower, but that would be just about it as all that rainfall continues to rotate around that upper low, with most of the rain right now, at least the light to moderate rain showers, well to our north around Fort Wayne and south of the Toledo area. Here's a look at the forecast for tonight. Cloudy skies. It will be cool. We're going to drop down into the mid-50s, about 56 degrees, and a very light breeze out of the south at 5, and patchy drizzle, little mist out there, maybe a spotty shower, but that would be about it. And really the same deal as we head through the day tomorrow on Friday. We are looking at least mostly cloudy skies tomorrow, and a spotty shower with that high temperature of 72, so a little bit warmer, and one of the reasons our winds will be out of the south-southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now as we head into the weekend, warmer still, up to 76 on Saturday and nearly 80 on Sunday, but a chance of a few showers, maybe even a thunderstorm or two, just depending on how much sunshine we see on both Saturday and Sunday. But nice Monday and Tuesday, highs getting into the low 80s. Another system could bring some rain as we get into late Wednesday and early Thursday.